What is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I am in Nuremberg right now at the train station. Today I'm going to Heidelberg. That's like in the west of Germany. I'm not going to be able to take the train today because it would just take forever because the connections are really bad. So I'm gonna take the bus today. Yeah, so right back there, that's where the bus station is gonna be. It's like a 3-hour bus ride to Heidelberg. The player we're filming today is Jeffrey Carroll. He plays for Heidelberg. And we're also gonna be filming a second player for today, but this time from the Rostock team. So it's gonna be one player from Heidelberg, one player from Rostock. Yeah, the second player, the one from Rostock, his name is Chavez Goodwin. As you can see, we do not have the best weather today. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to go around the city in Heidelberg too much. I'm probably just gonna check in. I mean, I got a whole suitcase with me today. So I'm probably just gonna check in, get some stuff ready, still edit some clips from last weekend, because so far I haven't been able to do that much. Just been working a lot and just not being able to edit all this stuff from filming. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I mean, like I said, we don't have the best weather today, but I'm looking forward to it. But before you do anything else, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's for free. I would really appreciate that. And don't forget to like the video. Yeah, all I know is that I'm really ready for summer because this weather is just kind of pissing me off here. And it's just not getting better. Oh damn, look at this. Because if I took the train, there would have been way too many layovers and it's just way too complicated to go there. So I'm just taking a bus. I think it's a 3-hour ride. Yeah, it's gonna be Flixbus. To all the Germans, they know what that is.
15 times. A little bit. Other side.
So the bus is here. Like I said, it's a 3-hour ride. We'll see you guys in Heidelberg. Okay, so we just made it to Heidelberg. The weather here is even worse than in Nuremberg. The first thing I'm gonna do here is go to the hotel, check in real quick, and leave my luggage there. I don't want to walk around with too much stuff here. I don't even think I'm gonna walk around too much. In the last 2 vlogs, like Ulm and Vienna, yeah, if you haven't seen those 2 yet, definitely check out those videos. So the previous vlogs I made, I'm not gonna be able to walk around a lot. I'm probably just gonna stay in the hotel for 1 or 2 hours. Maybe just get something to eat real quick, edit a little bit, and then I'm gonna head towards the arena because I'm gonna be there 2 hours before tip off. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to the hotel real quick and I'll see you guys there. Check out the room. Yeah, so I made it to the hotel. Like I said, this is the room. Just got a single bed right here, don't need more. And a big TV. Got a small closet here. You have like a little sink here. The shower right in here. I gotta say, it actually looks nice, and it was pretty much the cheapest hotel I found, or the cheapest hotel that was like decent. Pretty much the most important thing for me is that I have enough options to charge like all of my camera equipment, my phone as well. So a lot of times when I go to these kind of hotels, they'll have like one outlet, and that's just not enough for me to to charge everything up again. Yeah, so I have to be at the arena in 1 hour. So far I just kept editing. So I got a few things here. Yeah, I still have a few slow-mo clips that I have to edit for one of the Chemnitz players. So I just got pretty much everything set up right here with all the cables. On the bus I got to edit a few car pictures that I took probably like a few days ago. Just something cool to have on the side. Yeah, right here you just see a few pictures. Yeah, I really like the way these pictures turned out. I mean, these are all already edited, so I have nothing else to do to these pictures. So they're all ready to send off. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep editing a little bit because I still have to send a few clips to Jeff. He's the player from Chemnitz. And then probably in 45 minutes I'm gonna head to the arena. Yeah, and then we'll see. Okay, so I'm on my way to the arena right now. I think I have to take the bus. It's like 20 minutes to the arena. But every single time going to these new cities that I've never been to, especially the new arenas where I have no clue what they look like, it's just cool to see new arenas for the first time. Especially next week. I'm for sure gonna be in Oldenburg, and they have a really nice arena. And if everything goes well, I might be in Hamburg as well. But we'll see. It will be a really big game against FC Bayern basketball. Okay, so I'm already at the arena. It looks really nice, and I hope I'm gonna be able to go through the arena in the beginning before doing anything else, but I'll see. Gotta get my press pass, and then I'll see you guys inside. Good.
How you doing, bro?
Everything good, man?
I'm gonna talk to you.
Okay, so I got my press pass. I think already over an hour has gone by. I've been able to take a lot of pictures, also get some good video footage. Yeah, just for you guys to see, this is what the arena looks like. It's a very new arena. If you look at the lighting, this is probably one of the best arenas I've ever been to. So right now I'm trying to get something to eat real quick, because usually during the team warm-ups, that's when I don't really film a lot. Because it's just kind of the regular warm-up stuff. But I gotta say, this is a very nice arena. Very new. So if you ever get a chance to come here to Heidelberg to visit this arena, to watch one of the games here, I would definitely recommend it, because this is a very nice arena. So definitely check it out. So the game is over. Heidelberg won by 2 points, I think. Like you guys saw, it was a crazy ending. The crowd was absolutely crazy, and being here the first time was really cool. I also talked to Jeffrey a little bit after the game, and I'm actually gonna see him next week in Oldenburg when I'm gonna be there for Dwayne Russell. So I'm gonna see him next week as well. I think Chavez already left because their team bus always leaves a little bit early. But that's it from today's vlog. I was thinking about making the one vlog for the whole weekend, so for the game tomorrow as well. But because a lot happened today, I'm gonna make 2 separate videos. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.